Kiwicare have a range of concentrated products. It's important to know how to dilute these, to get the best from the product, to reduce waste and to remain safe. Protect yourself. Read the label. Put on waterproof gloves and eye protection. We also advise wearing a face mask, overalls and gumboots during mixing and spraying. Prepare the product. Shake the product well before use and let any foam settle. Consider how much spray you will need for your task. You can use the table on the Kiwicare website to assist in calculating the amount of concentrate you will need to measure. Most sprayers have measuring marks on the outside. If your sprayer does not, then using a 1 litre measuring jug, add 1 litre of water at a time to the sprayer and mark each level with a permanent marker. We suggest having different jugs and sprayers for different types of product to prevent cross-contamination. Quarter fill the measuring jug with clean water. Using the measuring cup provided on our products, carefully add the required amount of liquid concentrate to the water in the jug. Using clean water, rinse out the measuring cup into the jug at least 5 times. It's best to use another measuring jug containing water, as hoses and taps are hard to control. Add clean water to the jug until the level reaches 1 litre. Add the mixture to the sprayer using the measuring jug. Add more clean water to the sprayer until the required water level is achieved. Using a jug is unlikely to cause foaming, but if foaming occurs, slow the addition of water. Let liquid sit until foam subsides before completing filling. Do not let foam spill out over the sprayer. If you do not have a measuring jug, rinse the sprayer with clean water. Add half a litre of clean water to the sprayer. Using the measuring cup, carefully add the required amount of liquid concentrate to the water in the sprayer. Using clean water, rinse out the measuring cup into the sprayer at least 5 times. Add clean water to the sprayer until you reach the required level. After use, rinse the sprayer and jug with clean water at least 3 times. It's good practice to pump clean water through the spray nozzle to clear product from the sprayer head and tube. If a diluent or solvent other than water is used, the equipment should be cleaned with an appropriate cleaner such as a household washing up liquid. It is also recommended that sprayer seals are occasionally checked and lubricated with petroleum jelly, grease or other similar to keep in good order.